me guess, you started IELTS prep, you were motivated, you even studied for a few days, and then life happened. You got busy, you missed one day, you missed 2 days, and then a week. And now every time you think about IELTS, you don't feel motivation anymore, you feel guilt. Here's the truth no one tells you. You don't fail IELTS because you were weak. You fail IELTS because you never had a system. Today I'm going to give you the exact system that will keep you consistent with your IELTS prep and get you the results you want in the shortest possible time. Not motivation, not hype, a system. My name is Saad. I am a fully funded graduate from a US university, currently working as a scientist. And my mission is simple, to help ambitious students like you turn studying in the US from a dream to a plan. First step is set your goal straight. You will go abroad, period. You don't need motivation, you don't need clarity. Because studying abroad just does not change your degree, it changes your identity. It changed my life, and if you commit, it will change yours too. Now that the goal is clear, you need a system to work toward it every single day. Without a system, without a metric to measure your progress, consistency becomes impossible. You don't feel progress, so your brain quits. Before I give you the system, we need to talk about something uncomfortable: your excuses. No matter how busy you are, you can find 1 to 2 hours. Every single one has 24 hours a day. If something is important enough, you will make time for it. And if you don't, you simply haven't prioritized it. And if you keep telling yourself you're busy with other things, guess what? You will stay busy with those same things for the rest of your life. The same job you hate, the same environment you're trying to escape. Every time you postpone IELTS prep, you are choosing your current life over the life that could have been. Pause this video right now. Write down a specific time you will study IELTS every single day. Early in the morning, evening 7 to 8, or late night. Just fix the time and stick to it. If you can't decide, you are free to click off this video and watch another Mr. Beast video. I'm sure that will help your career. You have your time blocked, you have your Cambridge IELTS books. Now, this is how you practice. Day 1, listening and reading. Day 2, writing and speaking. And you repeat. If you are a total beginner and this feels like a lot, start with 1 section per day. As you improve, scale to 2. Remember, consistency beats intensity. For listening, follow the Cambridge test format. Use headphones to write answers on a paper or Word document. You don't need to time yourself, the audio controls the test. Once finished, check answers using the answer key. Write down your raw score out of 40 and the band score in your progress tracker. Now comes the most important part, feedback. Ask yourself, why did I lose mark? Was it vocabulary, question misunderstanding, MCQ, or maps? Identify the root cause. Then write 1 fix for the next test. And finally, did you apply the fix? Yes or no? You do not want to be the person making the same mistakes again and again. Weekly band projection, your average of the last 3 to 4 tests shows where you're heading. And that is how panic disappears. For reading, timing is critical. Set a 60-minute timer and take all 3 sections. This builds real test endurance. After the test, check answer keys and log your score and diagnose mistakes. If you struggle with reading, check out my reading strategy videos. They will make reading easier than you ever thought possible. For writing, again 60 minutes. If you are new, don't stress timing, just start practicing writing. Use my task 1 and task 2 strategies. After writing 3 to 4 essays, you will feel test ready. For feedback, use the official IELTS writing band descriptors. Compare your essay against band 7, 8, and 9 criteria. Second, exchange your essay with another IELTS student. Third, post in IELTS writing Facebook groups and ask for feedback. Remember, improvement requires raw, unfiltered feedback. not praise progress. For speaking, the best strategy is very simple. Talk with a human. Go to Facebook, search IELTS speaking, join the groups, write a post saying you are looking for a speaking partner. Pause this video and do it now. Done? Good. Now schedule speaking practice every other day at a fixed time, because consistency will beat anything. This entire system only works if you track it. That's why I'm giving you my IELTS Ascension Tracker. This is what keeps you consistent when motivation disappears. Link is in the description. IELTS is not about intelligence. It's about awareness, correction, and repetition. Build the system, follow it daily, and remember, believe you can and you will get there.